Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will be making cornmeal porridge, Jamaican cornmeal porridge. You're gonna add some water to your pots, and then I'm gonna add 3 bay leaves. These are called bay leaves. I got them from Jamaica. Bay leaves, and if you don't have bay leaf, it's okay. You can add your cinnamon stick. All right, and you're gonna allow that to boil. So I'm going to add a cup of cornmeal to my bowl, and this is a party of 1, guys. A party of 1 cup of cornmeal to my bowl, and then I'm going to add water. I'm going to make this liquefied, okay? Because this is what you're going to add to your pot. Add some more water. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And this I'll pour in my boiling pot. So I'm gonna add that to my pot. Oh, my pot is boiling away. So I'm gonna add my cornmeal to my pot. Once you're adding, you're gonna stir while you're adding that to the pot. And we're going to stir until that thickness comes. Let's take a look at our porridge. Okay, that's what you should be seeing. I'm going to allow this to cook for 30 minutes. So these are the ingredients that I'll be using in my porridge to make it flavorful. I'll be using my nutmeg, my cinnamon again, my vanilla, my condensed milk, and my coconut powder. So this is my finished product. We'll see you in my next video. Give your heart a cry.